Time what I believe I have seen in nowadays as a parent, what we are doing. We always want to, we always want to control on our children.
How's your morning today?
Yeah, it is fantastic so far, and I
And
hope.
how is the weather of Prayagraj?
Yeah, weather is I would say pleasant, superb.
Present.
Yeah, it is a cold also, but not a too much. It's a pleasant.
After a long period, we are meeting again. Could you please introduce yourself in a nutshell?
Yes, as you know, my name is Rohit, and I'm calling to you from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. And I have completed my graduation now. Just I want to enhance my communication skill, so that's why I'm here. And in my leisure time, I love to read a book. And nowadays, I got a
Hmm.
new hobbies like a habit as well, talking to
Hmm.
people, new people. So to whom I can learn something to them. So that's all about me. Always love to listen you.
Why?
Because the way you are, putting your thought and the way you always speak and always come with a new topic, so it make me happy.
Hmm. So tell me something Prayagraj because nowadays Prayagraj is very famous. Do you know
Mm.
why?
Yeah, because Kumbh, I would say fair started, and
Hmm.
it's not a Kumbh, it's a Mahakumbh. So
Yes. After
you
144
know, it's
years.
after
Hmm.
144 years. So
Yes.
most of the people they want to take bath or seek,
Hmm.
auspicious bath, I would say.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm. Did you also visit that place?
Yeah, on 28th January I will go because
Hmm.
that's some special day. Morning Masya like
I
that.
think there are 6 or 12 Shahi Snans. They had declared some dates.
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yesterday,
Yes.
I think yesterday was also Sai Snan.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Yes.
Hmm.
How far it is from your place?
It is not too far from my place. It's approx 50 kilometer, I would say.
50 kilometer.
Yeah, it takes just 1 hour, within 1 hour to reach there.
Hmm. Yes. I was watching some reels, and reels were amazing. And I can say government has applied so many security forces. So this year they have given
Yes,
so many things to the UP people
above
and.
of
Mhm.
above of 14 crore people have it, taken bath as well.
Mm. And I read one news, Mark Jobs, I think, mm, I forget the particular name.
Mm.
His wife was also planning to take a bath, but she fell ill.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so it's a
So,
Trivedi Sangam. It's a
mm,
very good Muhurat. So definitely we should go. So would you
but there
also
is another date.
for
There are,
going?
I think, 8 or 12 days we can take bath. These
Will you
dates
go or
are
not?
called, these baths are called Sahi Snan.
Will you go or not?
I'm just planning.
Oh my God. If you will go, so definitely tell me because I would like to meet you as well.
Yes, I'm planning with my husband and my daughter, with my
Mhm.
family.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
because that it will happen first time. I'm talking with someone as like you, and I will get chance to meet you physically. So that will be my pleasure again, I would say. So I would like to meet you
Mm.
if you will come here. So.
Mm, yes. So in this video, we will do one activity.
Mm.
Okay. I will narrate one story, and after that, we will discuss the topic.
Sure.
Mm.
Mm.
So in this story, there are two characters, Rani and Meera. They were very, close friends.
Mm.
But Rani has one, special, I can say, not quality.
Mm.
She was very possessive nature. She always controls Meera. She always wants that Meera should always talk to with me. She always, play with me. That's it. But
Mm.
after some time, Meera was thinking, why is she so much over possessive nature? Why she has so much over possessive nature?
Hmm.
Then she all these things cleared with Rani. First of all, I'm a free bird. We are good friends. That's it. But if you are controlling my everyday routine, it's not good.
Hmm.
So so this is my short story. My question is, did you ever met that kind of friend who always want to control your all activities?
Yeah, sometime what I believe I have seen in nowadays, as a parent, what we are doing, we always want to, we always want to control on our children, like,
Not
uh,
children.
mm,
Sometimes, like in friendship, in some relationship, we are overprotective and we are possessive nature. Why they are talking with someone? Did you
mm.
met any person who have this kind of nature?
Yeah, I have met as well. There was some some year ago, I had a friend. He was my very casual friend, I would say, like, mutual friend. So he always came with this habit, like that he always wanted to control me. If just sometime what happened, I used to ask him, like, I want to do this thing, so it would be good or not, just for a like a suggestion. But he always want to, he always came with kind of like, he always say like that, suggest me, like, no, you should not do. That's not a suggestion, that's a kind of pressure, like that you should not do like that. And I'm going here, you will have to also come with me. That's my ultimate
Hmm.
decision. If you want to, be with me, so you will have to do like that. So I met. But one thing I realized in parenting, I mostly see like that. Suppose I'm giving an example. What is the
Hmm.
difference between other country and India? In India, suppose I'm father and I have one kid. So we are going, I'm going somewhere outside with my children, and suddenly rain has started, right? So I will say on that time, on that moment, I will say, oh, it rain started, right? You should go,
Hmm.
you should go home, because it's rain
Hmm.
started. But in other country, what's happened usually, I noticed, they will ask to their children, would you like to go home, because it is raining? Would you like or not?
Hmm.
It's your choice. If you want to
Hmm.
go, so you can go. Suppose children are going school and suddenly rain started, so father and mother will ask to them, like, would you like to go home, or would you like to go school as well, because it is
Hmm.
running. But in India, there is they always treat like that, no, you must have to go, like, school, home, because it is running. So that's a
Hmm.
kind of, it happened many time, and I have seen like so many time. Because as a
Hmm.
children, we have also, as a parent, we should give them some responsibility as well, some thinking power to take on decision, take their own
Hmm.
decision, like, it's your choice. Would you like to go home, or would you like to school, go school? Because it will make, their thinking power, it will increase their thinking power, and they will think like that, yes, I have also, I need to think about it, what the things would be good for me or not. So it kind of the things going on.
Hmm. Yes, we should give them some choices also.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
So that's why
But
in
there are some
in
friends,
our
they always want you should always talk to me. Why are you talking that person? This kind of nature sometimes, you know, can create some problems in their relationship, friendship, relationships also.
Mhm. Yeah, we are not going to against with parent, because they always want to see their children to not do any wrong thing, like that, don't go any
Parents
wrong.
is a different thing. I'm talking about like relationships, friendships.
Yeah, you can see these things anywhere. It's not just, I'm not talking about particular parent, because just I why I told you, because I have noticed somewhere in
Hmm.
our family. And it can be happen everywhere. Suppose I become a mutual friend to you, and after some
Hmm.
days it's happening with so many younger. young and a student as well. If you make some new
Hmm.
friends, so after some day they will start to like pressuring you like that you should not do that things. You will have to come with me, and
Hmm.
I'm your friend. I will not give you permission to do that things. So it's
Hmm.
sometime I noticed like that.
You should watch my stories also. You should join me on Instagram, Facebook also.
Hmm. Yeah, exactly. Sometimes we feel like it's a kind of burden. He's the
Why
uh,
are you not giving me good comments on my post? Because you are my friend.
hmm. Yeah, it's happened with so many time in any kind of girlfriend boyfriend relationship, I would say.
Not girlfriend, boyfriend. Sometimes, if you have a male friend or female friend, sometimes this kind of nature we can observe.
Hmm. Oh yeah,
They just
because
want,
hmm.
you should always talk to me, always, give your time just for my friendship. You should never mingle with anyone.
Hmm.
They feel jealous, insecurity.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Sometimes we can see like that as a
Suppose some person,
take care.
suppose like it is a group also, there are so many groups. Someone is not taking interest to talk to you. Then why are you again and again bothering that person? You can join some other person also
I
because it's
always
a free platform.
I always believed in self love, right? So
Yes,
if you want to love to someone, so at first try to love to yourself.
yes. I think at some extent possessiveness is good, but if it is crossing the line, then you should clear that person. You should
Hmm.
stay in your limits.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
Because it's our responsibility to see the people who is trying to cross the boundary. And if you are feeling
yes.
that someone is trying to cross the boundary and limit, so definitely you should stop.
That time, I think strong answer is required. You
Hmm.
should give strong reply.
Yeah, you can also make them understand very politely way, because in this way,
But
like I'm not.
sometimes politeness, I am just observing like you are saying politeness, some other, good words.
Hmm.
But this person never understand these kind of words.
Yeah, it is a totally depend on the context and the situation circumstances. If you feel like that, I need to
They never want hear no word.
hmm. Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah. It's a depend on context. If you are feeling like that, I should treat as strictly. So definitely you should go with them.
yes,
Hmm.
yes.
Hmm.
Any
Otherwise,
other thing you would like to add it in this conversation?
yeah. Actually, you covered very good point already. Whatever we had. And okay, so tell me, like I can observe you have improved a lot. So what are you doing for it?
I don't know I'm improving or not, but yes, it's my habit. Every day I'm doing conversation. But sometime, like yesterday, I was not free because I was very busy. Because in my area, like Rajasthan, they are celebrating Makar Sankranti, and in this area, I'm just watching. They are flying the kites. They were going their relative house, and music was very like they are doing party also. I can
Hmm.
say.
So how did you celebrate your Makar Sankranti?
My Makar Sankranti was very simple. I was celebrating with my husband and my daughter,
Oh,
eating, till laddu and
hmm.
some other things also.
So have you wore new clothes, and have you flied kite as well?
I don't know how to fly a kite. And yes, new clothes. After some time, we will buy some new clothes.
तो आज की इस कॉन्वर्जेशन के बाद है कुछ डेली यूज सेंटेंस। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है, मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ जब मैंने पाया कि मुझे वह नौकरी नहीं मिली जो मैं वास्तव में चाहता था। यानी किसी वजह से जब हम डिसअटेंड हो जाएं, बहुत ही डिसअपॉइंट फील करें, तो वहाँ पे हम गटेड वर्ड को यूज कर सकते हैं। आई वॉज गटेड वैन आई फाउंड आउट आई डिडंट गेट द जॉब आई रियली वॉन्टेड। आई वॉज गटेड वैन आई फाउंड आउट आई डिडंट गेट द जॉब आई रियली वॉन्टेड। जब मौसम के कारण हमारी वीकेंड ट्रिप रद्द हो गई तो मैं वास्तव में निराश हो गया। आई वॉज रियली बम्ड वैन आवर वीकेंड ट्रिप गॉट कैंसल ड्यू टू द वेदर। आई वॉज रियली बम्ड वैन आवर वीकेंड ट्रिप गॉट कैंसल ड्यू टू द वेदर। जब उसे अपनी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त के जन्मदिन की पार्टी में आमंत्रित नहीं किया गया तो वह उदास हो गई। शी फेल्ट बम्ड आफ्टर नॉट बीइंग इनवाइटेड टू हर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बर्थडे पार्टी। शी फेल्ट बम्ड आफ्टर नॉट बीइंग इनवाइटेड टू हर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बर्थडे पार्टी। बम्ड का मतलब होता है बहुत डिसअपॉइंट हो जाना, हार्ट ब्रोकन हो जाना, बहुत सैड फील करना। तो यहाँ पे हम बम्ड को यूज कर सकते हैं। अगला सेंटेंस है, अपना मुंह बंद रखने की क्या कीमत लोगी। वॉट विल इट टेक टू कीप दिस अंडर रैप्स, यानी किसी बात को सीक्रेट रखने का या छुपाने की के लिए तुम कितना पैसा लोगे या क्या तुम्हारी टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस है। वॉट विल इट टेक टू कीप दिस अंडर रैप्स। इस समय मेरा घर पूरी तरह बिखरा हुआ है, हर चीज़ इधर उधर फैली हुई है। माई हाउस इज एट 6s and 7s राइट नाउ, एवरीथिंग इज स्कैटर्ड अराउंड। माई हाउस इज एट 6s and 7s राइट नाउ, एवरीथिंग इज स्कैटर्ड अराउंड। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, वह अपने घर जाते समय लूटपाट के दौरान घायल हो गया। ही वॉज इंजर्ड ड्यूरिंग अ मगिंग ऑन हिज वे होम। ही वॉज इंजर्ड ड्यूरिंग अ मगिंग ऑन हिज वे होम। पुलिस ने कल रात पार्क में एक पर्यटक से लूटपाट करने के आरोप में 2 आदमियों को गिरफ्तार किया। द पुलिस अरेस्टेड 2 men फॉर मगिंग अ टूरिस्ट इन द पार्क लास्ट नाइट। यहाँ पर मगिंग को 2 तरह से यूज़ किया जा सकता है। एक होता है क्रैमिंग के लिए, जो कि ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश में इनफॉर्मल वे में यूज़ किया जाता है, और दूसरा होता है जब किसी क्रिमिनल एक्ट के लिए किसी को गिरफ्तार किया जाए या कोई क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी हुई हो, जैसे लूटपाट करना, इसके लिए भी मगिंग को यूज़ किया जाता है। अगला सेंटेंस है, उसने अपनी अंतिम परीक्षाओं के लिए पूरी रात रट्टा लगाया, यानी क्रैमिंग करी, पढ़ाई करी। तो यहाँ पे भी हम मगिंग को यूज कर सकते हैं। ही स्टेड अप ऑल नाइट मगिंग फॉर हिज फाइनल एग्जाम्स। उसने अपनी गणित की परीक्षा के लिए सप्ताहांत यानी वीकेंड में रट्टा लगाया। किसी चीज़ को जब रटा जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा उसको, मतलब तब वहाँ पे हम मगिंग को यूज कर सकते हैं। इस तरह से मगिंग को हम 2 वेज में यूज करते हैं, क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी के लिए, दूसरा रटने के लिए, जब हम पढ़ाई कर रहे होते हैं, किसी चीज़ को रट रहे होते हैं। शी स्पेंड द वीकेंड मगिंग फॉर हर मैथ टेस्ट। शी स्पेंड द वीकेंड मगिंग फॉर हर मैथ्स टेस्ट।